and welcome to JollyCrafts. Today we are going to be making a Kirigami bow. But what is Kirigami exactly? Kirigami is basically origami, but with cutting and, if needed, glue. Warning, you will need to be careful with scissors. Let's get started. The color that you want for the bow needs to be inside out. So example, if I want this green spotted pattern to be at the front, then we will need to fold it in for the first step. Step 1. Fold it in half. When you fold it in half, it should look like a triangle, like this. Step 2. Fold it in half again. Step 3. Unfold. Step 4. Open a half of the triangle, move it to the center, and then squash it down. Turn over and repeat for the other side. Move it to the middle and squash it down. Step 4. Turn it over. You see this bit? It's not open. So fold down the top. Don't fold it too big. Step 5. Unfold all the steps. Shape it like this. Step 6. You see this square in the middle? We need to define this outline. Fold on one side of the square and repeat for the other 3. Step 7. Like a preliminary base, sink it in. You might come over some trouble with this, but don't worry. Repeat it quite a few times until you get what you want. Step 7. Fold these two areas down to this spot over here. Turn over and repeat for the other side. Step 8. Take these two sides and open them, being careful not to completely unfold it like I have here. Carefully pull it out. Now you see why you need to do the opposite side at the beginning. Scissors time. Step 9. You see these 4 lines over here? Take one of them and pull it open like this. Then follow the line in the middle and cut it until you reach the V shape. Repeat for the other 3 sides. Step 10. Fold the top to the bottom like this. Step 11. Use the kite fold on both sides over here. One side should look like this. Repeat with the other side. it over. Step 12. Fold it in front to the square and tuck it in. You will need glue with this, but I'm lazy. Now it is starting to look more like a bow. Step 13. Cut out 2 strips to make it look more like a ribbon. As you can see here, I have sketched out the 2 strips before cutting. Also suggested is to stick the 2 flaps together so they don't become loose and flap around. Let's cut them out now. You might have to do some adjustments at the back and cut off the extras, but it doesn't matter, we're only using the front. This size is also completely customable. You can make it whatever size to your liking. And it doesn't matter if they're inaccurate. Once you're happy, an extra is to snip the bottom into a triangular shape. If the strips are kind of loose, then you can add some glue. However, I don't recommend using liquid glue. And now it's done. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked it. Bye!